This one is a boat conductor, courtesy of AMP. Because they will be starting at 5:10 in the morning. Our GPS watch, kailangan niyo po yan para ma-flex natin sa ating mga social media account, especially those who just started. There you go! You are receiving the reason. Alright, don't forget to hydrate along the way. This is our main event for today's race, our 10-kilometer runners. Sila yung mga lodi natin, malalakas.
Video niya. Sa Parisan na. Ganda ng mga porters na.